Hey, it's Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. I'm working out of my home office on this lovely fall weekend. We got a little bit of rain going outside here in Michigan, but it's a great day to spend indoors. I've been cleaning my office this morning and kind of getting ready for the last few months of my business. And I know you're probably thinking about the last few months of your business as well for 2019. So I wanted to remind you, I'm going to be doing an upcoming LinkedIn workshop on Tuesday, November 19th in Troy. This is going to be from 10 a.m. to noon and held at Epidesk, which is right off of like Big Beaver and Crooks in that area. And this workshop is really a great session for those of you who need some help with LinkedIn, but you need some hands-on help with it really. And you probably have seen or heard of me speaking at different events throughout the area. And sometimes they're either low cost or no cost, free events that you can go and watch me live, but you're really in a big group, 30, 40, 100 people, and you don't get the benefit of that personalized attention. So if budget is a factor for you and that might be holding you back from booking a individual session with me, but you need more in-depth knowledge on how to unlock the power of LinkedIn, specifically focusing on optimizing your profile, this session is for you. So come on out and join me in Troy on Tuesday, November 19th. Register now while we still have a few seats that are open, and would love to have you come out. I'll be teaching you techniques on everything in your profile, really going from your top of your profile down to the bottom, and how to optimize your profile so that we're speaking to your ideal target audience and we're doing the best job of positioning you and helping to build your personal brand. Okay? Doesn't that sound fun? I think we're going to have an absolute blast. I will have a pie to give away, of course. That's part of my thing. And I look forward to having you join me. Thanks so much and have a great day.